Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kay and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the PlayStation 5. I've been waiting 1 year for this because of the silicon shortage, but it's finally here. It has finally arrived. Let's get started. Yeah, so I think it's like a bundle, so I have a PlayStation 5 and extra controller plus a expand M.2 hard drive as well, 1 terabyte. I don't know where it's from. I think it's like WD Black brand, I think, I'm not sure. And also 1 game. That's the bundle, I think. Okay, let's get started. So let's start with the PlayStation 5. Ooh. Oh, it's not that heavy. It's quite light. Can I show you the back? Okay, that's the front. Okay. Now let's see. What does it open? Let's see. Oh. Oh, this is similar to the PlayStation 4. So it's like the box inside the box with. So that's just the cover. What's in here? So, controller. Let me just put this aside. So that's the controller right here. Here are some paperwork. The plug. Oh, this comes off. What's this? Oh, here's the stand for the PlayStation 5 to sit on. Okay, it's like the weird curve shape, right? So that's the way. And it improves airflow. Oh, here's the HDMI cable. Oh, this just comes off. Oh, I can see the PlayStation 5. Oh, that is massive. Put this away. Bruh, that is big. It's bigger than the PlayStation 4. I used to have a PlayStation 4 and an Xbox 360, not an Xbox One. But that is massive. Oh yeah, this is the disc version, as you can see from the box as well. But yeah, let's see. Oh, I don't want to unveil it. It looks so beautiful. Alright, let me do it upward as well. See. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my god. So here are the ports. Right? The power cable, HDMI cable, Ethernet, and 2 USB-A. Yep. And at the front is a USB-A, a USB-C port. And the disc here, since it's the disc only version. So let me just put this to the side. Let me open the stand and let's see how that works. Do I need the instruction to see how to fit the stand? Nah, let's just try it to start with. Let me just try and error with it. Oh, here's the stand. Oh, it's a squishy material. It's like plastic, but still like quality. Like, even though it's like a console, all the material is like really good. It's like really strong materials. Finally, you want to put it forward. And think it should be like facing this way. Down. It should be yeah, there we go. So the stand is imported careful to the bottom, right? So that's why he's to have the stand. You don't need to have the stand, like you don't want to, but it's just better. Right? Well, it's better in the long run. Since let's say if you build up dust around here, there's still like some height to get airflow. Okay, let me try the landscape. What is that one? Just put it flat. Which way? There we go. Is that it? This looks weird. Is it right from the front? Oh, it just looks weird. Okay, yeah. Let's get the controller. That is bigger. PlayStation 4 one. Oh, it's good. I think the quality is way better than the PS4. This is like, easier to hold. It's way more comfortable. Okay, let me put this to a side. Let me make it so I don't knock it over. This way up. Yeah. Just put that there. This thing over here. Just put these paper box with the cables I got. Let me get the extra packages. Oh, also I got things with the headphone as well. Well, let's see if I received all of that. Right, yeah, there we go. So here's the Logitech headphone, the PS4 controller, the Horizon game, that's the game. So, and the M.2 SSD. So let's start unboxing the accessories. This is just an extra controller, so that was very quick unboxing now. But here's the headphone. Let's see if it's good. Well, I didn't choose this, I just got it as a bundle since everywhere's out of stock and they only sold it with a bundle. So I was like, why not? That's the reasoning for me having this different. So yeah, it could be good or it could be bad. Oh, what is this? How the heck do I open this? Oh, the USB port. Oh, so here's the charging. There's a USB A to a USB C. It's charging, so I think the headphone is a USB charger port. Oh, soft. Oh, it's mesh. Is it comfortable? We have this. Oh, okay, it does extend. I was saying I don't have a small head. What's right and what's left? Not bad, but not ideal. Like, I think it's alright for shoulder. It's like, it's plastic, isn't it? So it's not good for long term use or like long hours of gaming. But yeah, I think it's not bad for the budget. I think it's only like £60, right? So yeah, put that to the side. This is just a game, no point unboxing that either. So let me just put that to the side. So here's the M.2 drive, or the expansion drive for the PlayStation. This is the compatible one, I think. It has like the heatsink top. And so this is the 1TB version. That's tiny, but it stores 1TB of data. It's an M.2 that so it should have a really fast write and read speed. Let's see, 7,000 megabits per second, 7,000 megabits per second read, and what's the write? Is it 1,000? Or is it 1 million? Well, I can't see the one, it just says ops. So, I know if you guys see that, then yeah. I think it's 7,000 of read and write. Since it's here, right? Yep. 5 years guaranteed. Okay, let's get started with this. I think it's this side, right? What's it? No, it's the disc version. If I remember correctly. So I have to.
1 hour later.
Is it this or the other side? I'm lost.
One eternity later.
There. Cool. I was doing the other side. So here we go. So for this expansion installation, you need a screwdriver. So this is where the M.2 drive goes. So you need like a drive like this. So let's get started. So first we need to unscrew this. Like not here. Make sure you keep the screwdriver safe and the cover safe as well. So we need to reattach it after it's done. Okay, so depending on the size of your M.2 drive, you need to put this screw here. Yep. So there should be two things. One is the screw, one is the actual like base for the screw to go in. So you should first get an idea where your thing should go. So mine should go at 80. So I'm just going to put the base at 80 here. There we go. Then you get your M.2 drive. Just be careful. This is a precious so you can break your M.2 drive. You put it in an angle like this. Push it in. That was in. Push it down. There we go. So now it's installed. Just secure it with a screwdriver. Screw here. So make sure you just put the screw there. Yeah, don't tighten it too much since it could damage the M.2 drive. Then after that we just M.2 drive. Then after that we just put the cover in. There we go. Screw it. So that's it. That's how you install an expansion M.2 drive to your PlayStation 5. Now we just put the cover on. So if I remember correctly, just get the line right. Oh, there's something like this. Oh, I can't remember how I did it. There we go. Okay, so now the M.2 SSD is installed. Let's plug in and get started. Just put this back on the stand. Environmentally friendly. It's a paper tag rather than plastic enclosure. And before you guys all get started, I know how to put the screw under the base, so this does move around. Well, I know it's not permanent now. I'm going to move it around somewhere else. This is just for the video. So, ignore me on that. Okay, so let's start the PlayStation up. Does this work? Nope, I need the connector. Here we go. The USB to USB-C for the controller. Well, they could have made USB-C to USB-C since that's a USB-C port at the front, but nah. So here's the first time it's been on. Now I'm connected to the network. Let's see. Okay. So it's connected to the network. Oh, what's this? Okay, so now it's detected the M.2 slot and it needs to be formatted, right? Oh, yeah, okay, let's see. You have a game disk inserted now. Well, it's being said, okay, so let me do that as well. So this is the Horizon game, the new one. And that just came in February of 2022, I think. 8 minutes remaining. But it's an SD drive, right? It's a SSD drive, so it should be faster. Well, I'll get back to you in 8 minutes.
One eternity later.
Okay, yeah, the update is done. I don't know what's happening. I think did the power turn off? Oh, here we go. Okay, now I'm just logging into my PSN. The installation process is long. That's it. Oh, here's the game. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for tuning into this video. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe this video.